first video.
We are not sure what we're doing at all.
But get ready, because here we come.
Yes, so I am Devin Hayes with Elevation Marketing.
I'm Amanda Joyce, also with Elevation Marketing.
We are the owners, partners, friends,
Coffee talkers.
coffee talkers. Call 555-4444, and we'll talk marketing.
Marketing. So what we're going to do is start bringing you guys a marketing moment. We oftentimes find that we get really similar questions from our clients, and we feel like we could save a lot of people a lot of headache and a lot of the dumb tax if we just answer some of those burning questions.
Yeah, or not burning questions. Maybe you're just stuck, or maybe there was like a simple update, and we'll kind of just break them down into snackable moments whenever we think of them. So don't expect anything professionally edited here, just like quick moments, and hopefully just some really good content for you that is actionable.
Yeah, so stay tuned and smash that subscribe button.